Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee Mpcc Chief Spokesperson Harveshwar Goswami slammed Mizoram Chief Minister Laldu Homa for making controversial speech in US regarding unification of Chin-Kuki-Zo communities in Myanmar, Bangladesh and India under one nation. The Congress spokesperson also condemned the BJP-led government in both centre and state for overlooking such speech which is against the interest of the country. Speaking to media at Congress Bhavan in BT Road, Harveshwar Goswami said the speech made by Mizoram Chief Minister posed a big threat to unity and integrity of India, while maintaining that neighbouring states have tried to challenge the territorial boundary of Manipur in the past. However, Harveshwar Goswami said Mizoram has claimed Churachandpur as a part of Greater Mizoram in 1965. He also added that Bangladesh former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has also indicated of a conspiracy regarding plan to carve out Christian nation from India and its neighbours. The Congress spokesperson further condemned the silence of centre on Mizoram Chief Minister's speech.
Manipur se uji Kuki Chin-Kuki-Zo ki natraga international ki agenda amada makhoi ge beleba am semde yade harpachida maru ina Manipur valley da legiba kilinaw kino object tawi adoi di Manipur gi valley da leibe kilinaw se amuk thugai da yati haiwa sideda zat ki pot mayam ma hana leiba issue aphida toroga khoi jum thugai da honor ka drive se ai chawma tingna da ngamde haidare maram di makhoi na tongjilla ga thuai basi genuine oiba local issue simda tongchillaga tawba potnina adugi wafam dum international ki hojik thole potse manungda geopolitics ni decent date ni na lei potse Manipur gi lei state BJP government na kari gi damta hana khangdabano India gi the external affairs intelligence mayam lei kina Manipur government ta share tawdabra khangandabra kari khangmangam dabano Chin-Kuki-Zo gi country ma India da gi su khaidoga semne haiba se India government na kari gi tumina leibano India gi foreign policy BJP government gi foreign policy totally flop oirabra masina flop oibana maram oiduna India gi leiba citizen sing amachung praja singbu achuk yamna tamthina wahan ba amachung sohan ba se amukta tawkidri